Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by asking the parent or guardian for permission and explaining why you want the change. This avoids conflicts and keeps the account secure. Once they agree, make sure you both have the Epic account email and device on hand, and prepare any ID or age proof the platform may require. Then, together, sign into the account so the person with authority can make or approve any parental control adjustments. This keeps the process legitimate and safe for everyone involved. You should review the Epic account and device family settings with the guardian watching and participating. This helps identify where restrictions originate and why they exist. Once done, inspect linked consoles or stores because parental controls often apply at the device level rather than only inside the game. Make sure two-factor authentication and verified age status are visible, since these items affect what changes are permitted, and explain to the parent why each control is important for safety and account protection. You wrap up by having the account owner implement approved changes or complete any verification steps through Epic's official support if needed. Doing this together prevents accidental lockouts. Once done, log out and log back in on affected devices and restart them to ensure changes propagate across platforms. If something goes wrong, contact Epic support directly with the parent present and provide the requested account details or age verification. That single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.